Hi beautiful people, thank you for visiting my channel. I have compiled some ideas you can use for a white themed baby shower. These are letter boxes made from cardboard box and white paper and gift wrap paper. Also, I have a table with topper, diaper, cake, souvenirs, a white backdrop, and also a welcome banner. The cake was simply decorated, just a regular white cake with Hello Mason on it. This is a centerpiece. I created it from foam board, foam plates, and just regular printed paper. It can also be used as a centerpiece. There you have it with the congrats sign that can be mounted in the grass, made from styrofoam plates. Also this lovely diaper cake, which was made from diapers and topped with a teddy bear. And here you have a watermelon baby carriage made from watermelon and tropical fruits. And these are some booties, little baby shoes that was made from styrofoam cups, and I used ribbons for the lace and the tulle for the filling. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and thumbs up this video if you find it interesting. Those bottles, I used glitter that I used to put the balloons on, and let me know if you try any of these. Thank you very much.